Solved how to fix NieR Replicant Remaster not launching on Windows. 1. Make sure your specs meet the requirements. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 2. Verify the integrity of your game files in Steam. 3. Launch inside the game folder. Hint, you may find something like NieR Replicant for .1.1224744874139.exe via Steam's Browse option. 4. Update your graphics drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Change program graphics settings. 5.1 Add the above mentioned NieR Replicant.exe into Manage 3D settings list, if you are using NVIDIA graphics card. 5.2 Set max frame rate to 60-65 FPS. 6. Temporarily disable your antivirus.